Adamson Lady Falcons equalizing with National University after losing 25-18 in set number 1. Binalik nila just exactly the way they lost it. Nanalo naman sila 25-18 in set number 2.
That's right. Adamson now sensing that they really gave away that first set. No? Sabi na, let's work this time. And big names such as Pineda, Soriano, Zapanta now dominating the offense for Adamson. For the side of NU, their main problem was their reception. They weren't able to get those plays going that they had in the first set. Nung umpisa, ang ganda nung atake nila. You've got Nepomuceno attacking, you've got Pablo attacking, you've got Byron attacking. But here, in this second set, hindi sila nakagawa ng matinong play. And nakalamang na ng malaki itong Adamson. And they were so comfortable already cruising through the second set. 9 attack points for NU and 12 for Adamson. 2 blocks for NU against only 1. Service aces, lamang naman ng Adamson, 3-1, and unforced errors, 9-6. But that second set, a complete turnaround for Adamson, basing it on their subpar performance in that first set.
After a much improved performance in set number 1 compared to their past few games, as you look at the Lady Falcons who've turned it around, tulad nga na sabi ng aking partner na si Doc Ian Laurel. And yun naman parang regressing to the way they played a few days ago.
That's right. And Adamson probably learning from what happened to them against FEU. Nung natalo sila nung first set, they gave away the second set and third set. Parang nawala na sila ng gana. And bigger margin in that third set. So now they've tied this match. We're tied at 1 set apiece. So it could be anybody's ball. It's really going to depend on how these teams adjust. Nakita natin, and the coaching staff also looking at those mismatches over at the net. Adamson did a good job in the second set to counter that mismatch between Nepomuceno and Makatuno over at the net.
Excellent.
Nice
by NU. Makatuno's tip read by the defense.
Paul Soriano crossing the line or touching the net. It's second referee Lumar Pajarillo making the call.
Earlier on in the timeouts in set number 2, we saw a very irate coach Vicente for National University. Let's see what he said in between sets as we listen to Nico Ramos.
Thanks, Eric. Well, you know, sometimes they say there are 2 kinds of coaches. Coaches who coach players and coaches who coach games. Coach Francis Vicente is certainly one who's concerned more about his players than with results of the game. Sabi niya, minsan hindi importante yung panalo o matalo. Ang importante yung disiplina na meron kayo as players. He was telling his girls that sometimes in that second set, they were doing things all on their own that they didn't even discuss during practice. Sabi niya, gumagawa kayo ng sarili nyong mga play. Hindi yan yung in-ensayo natin. Kailangan disiplinado kayo. Huwag kayong makontento sa isang set lang. Eric?
All right, thank you, Nico. Indeed, you see yung mindset ni Coach Vicente. He's not, although of course, you want the win, pero he has his mindset on making the Lady Bulldogs play disciplined volleyball. Whether the result is a win or a loss is parang kumbaga sa kanya irrelevant. As long as they play the NU Lady Bulldogs type of volleyball, then masaya na siya.
That's true. And sabi nga niya kanina, yung teamwork talagang hindi niya nakita doon sa second set. Nagkanya-kanya sila. Everyone was doing something else other than what they did in practice.
A better set number 2 for Adamson. Let's see what happened in the huddle with Coach Mami Dulce Pante as we check in with Bea Coronel.
Well, Mami Dulce definitely saw a team she is more familiar with in that second set, commanding them for playing with much more composure and also energy. Now, most importantly, she does not want this to get to their heads, and she told them that NU seems to be playing with a lot more spunk, so they have to adjust to that. Now, she reminded the girls to just take things 1 point at a time and to minimize errors and to ensure that NU does not pull away any longer. Eric and Ian?
Thanks, Bea. Soriano with a beautiful hit in the middle. Just parang basic words lang from Mami Dulce. No instructions, no play-by-play sort of thing. You know, just don't let this get to your head. NU's playing a lot better than before. Let's not underestimate them.
That's true.
And play the type of volleyball that people know us
That's true. That's true. And that's what happened to them with FEU. Well, they didn't realize that they were playing against a different FEU team, that's what they expected. So ito, sinabi na ni Coach Dulce, diretsahan, sinabi niya, NU's playing a different game today. They're at a different level. So you gotta accept that and make sure you play quality volleyball against this quality team. Hindi pwede yung paano lang, relax. Look at that.
Pablo. Bending over backwards for that one. Oh,
Ooh.
nice hit.
From the right.
Cortel again.
Marlene Cortel. Not part of the usual names that we mentioned when it comes to offense from Adamson. Caught NU by surprise this time.
That's true. Kinlog has been put out. No? Nung kita natin si Kinlog nung first set, but she was struggling. And it's Cortel actually in her place today here in this third set.
Pineda was on top of that ball, pero the hit softened by the blockers. And again, Pablo getting to work. We didn't see much of her in set number 2.
Yes.
And now bumabawi siya in set number 3. Got a little bit of wind. And ngayon, bumalik yung aggressiveness.
Now the sets of Salibad are much closer to the net. Kaya ang ganda dahil mas matatangkad yung attackers niya and they will have the advantage basta ganun yung set.
Beautiful serve from Pablo. Cortel blocked by
By
single lady blocker.
Oh, Kai was all over that ball. Top, bottom, left, right, middle. Walang pupuntahan yung bolang yun. Balot na balot.
For NU.
NU up by 2. 6-4. Pineda blocked. Zapanta to Pineda. Salibad. Almost mistimed that with Dadang, pero Nepomuceno touched the ball twice.
Well, she was there, but unfortunately, she saved that ball and that ball ran straight into the net. So, hindi rin nakaangat ng gusto yung bola.
5 serving 6. Wow.
On the line by
Nepomuceno, her favorite hit down the line.
Yes. Well, this is how we started set number 2. Wow. Great play by Nepomuceno.
Ibabaw na ibabaw siya sa bola, no?
By Ron.
Ganda ng angle.
Byron.
Dating ng bola. Nice service ace.
Right on the corner as Vasquez, the libero of Adamson, was just looking on. NU on top by 3 over Adamson, 8-5 in set number 3. Coach Francis Vicentes, Lady Bulldogs, playing like they played in set number 1. And this is the result so far, a 3-point lead for Kai Nepomuceno. And the rest of the 5 or 6 on the floor. But can they keep the lead? Because a rejuvenated Adamson Lady Falcons are playing much better than they did in set number 1 after winning set number 2. Kaya medyo tayo 1 set apiece. Ramon Bautista is in attendance here at the arena in San Juan. What we'd like to know is sino bang pinapanood ni Ramon dito, no?
I don't know if he's trying to pick up some jokes from...
He's a UP alumnus, if I'm not mistaken, right? Pero UP walang laro today.
I think he teaches over there.
Yeah,
I'm
he's a
not sure.
professor as well. Sa University of the Philippines. Pineda blocked! Oh, NU is on a roll again.
Let's ask Larry. Probably Larry would
Oh,
have
of
answer.
course.
Of course.
Larry, our floor director, with all these trivial informations that we always can use. So, tinitingnan ko si Larry, nag-iisip pa lang eh.
Sabi ni Larry, huwag niyo nga akong pakialam. Dalawa.
Pineda.
Off speed.
Pineda,
Great
off the
play
hands
by
of Dadang.
Sheila Pineda.
And a smart play. She's been blocked several times, about twice already. She changed it up.
And the crowd here in the arena steadily trickling in. Ano?
Dumadami na.
Dumadami na tayo dito. Nice soft serve.
Nepomuceno. Here's Pineda again. Blocked again. Soriano. Good coverage behind the blockers by NU. Pablo. Soriano.
Corner pocket.
Miss hit actually. But she found an opening.
That's
Just
right.
good.
Again, that corner left wide open by the NU defense. And Adamson nakakahabol na dito sa third set.
7 serving 9. Little hit by Dadang. Oh, what a block. Dadang rejected, but I think Dadang hit the net.
As usual, wala namang umaamin pagka magtuturoan. That's a third touch. Makatuno saves it. Look at Dadang go up to that free ball.
I think Pineda actually
Could be.
hit the net from that replay.
Yep.
Oh,
Nice.
smart play.
Right
Nepomuceno saw that huge hole in the middle.
Wow, Nepomuceno surprising everyone because no blockers went up with her. So pagka ganung sitwasyon, you expect ito
Palo,
todo
no?
mo dahil walang sumabay na blocker pero she just dropped it. And you can see all the other players just waiting, di ba? Nakatulala. Oops!
Mali.
Mali.
Dadang, that was on the low part of the net. Dadang really struggling with her serve today.
Yeah,
If I'm
yeah.
not mistaken, second or third service error na, no? Oh.
Second.
And with that error, Adamson is within 1. 9 serving 10. Sheila Marie Pineda serving.
Adamson.
And she'll be in the back row. Nasa harapan ngayon ang open spiker na si Zapanta for Adamson.
That's outside. Again, the set far from the net.
If there's one thing lacking in the offense of NU, correct me if I'm wrong, Doc, ano? Yung middle attacks ng NU hindi ganun kasolid as compared to their open, ano?
That's true.
Sila Dadang, sila Aganon, not
That's
as
true.
reliable as
That's true.
kasi kung ganun sila katindi, may hirapan na talaga mag-cover ang depensa ng Adamson, ano?
Let's remember, Sante has, they miss Sante. Ooh!
Nice combination. Really fooled the entire defense of NU.
Wow, Aganon not reading the offense of the opponent, jumping with Makatuno. And Makatuno sa center. And you've got already Nepomuceno covering that. So why go up with Nepomuceno against sa Makatuno and you're leaving a Soriano in the middle. So ayun, kita mo naman. They paid for that.
Adamson on top by 1 now. 11-10 overtaking NU. Nepomuceno finally connects on the cross.
That's a better set. That's a better play from Nepomuceno. And back to my point earlier, Sante, they've missed Sante for the past 3 games and Sante was their #1 middle attacker. Kaya after she left, hanggang ngayon wala pa siya. Kita mo, wala silang middle attack na ganun kasolid.
Kasolid, oo. Zapanta. Salibad. Dinig mo sa talbog sa tama ng kamay sa bola, no?
Yeah.
It's gonna be long.
That was a miss hit right there.
And with that error, Adamson again inches back ahead. 12-11. Set number 3.
You can you get this feeling that really these two teams know how important this third set is. No?
And ito, nag-try na naman si Salibad. Doc, sorry to interrupt. Pero yung middle hit na yun na naman. Medyo dun talaga yung butas.
That's right.
But going back to your point, ganun ka-importante yung game na to, no?
Alam nila, this could be the turning point of this match. Whoever wins this third set would have a very, very big advantage going to the fourth.
Oh, look at Pablo. Wind up big time for that.
Full extension of the right arm. That's how you hit it. Great distance from the net. And yung consistency na lang ang pinag-uusapan dun sa mga palo nitong si Pablo.
She puts NU within 1. 12, serving 13. Nice serve from Salibad. Cortel, the lefty.
Ooh,
Outside hit by Cortel.
that's a throw out. Sayang.
13 all.
Wow.
Unlucky number
I love
13.
these scores. I love these scores.
13. Service.
Tingnan natin.
Pag all lang ganito, pag mahigpit na ganito ang laban. Of course, the fans are enjoying
Yeah,
it.
that goes to show you kung anong quality ng game
Yeah.
na pinapanood ninyo.
That's true.
Who'll be left at 13? That's a big question. Soriano's block.
Ooh.
The dump. Oh! Kneeling on the floor. The set by Salibad. Free ball. Adamson. Cortel.
Ooh.
Cortel.
A free ball given back to Cortel.